Hey!
Hi! I'm assuming you're not taping.
I am actually taping.
Well, the light's on, the bad light.
Whatever. It's run and gun. You go with the lighting you have.
You could just redo a proper hi, come on in.
No, it's okay. I'm like shoving my camera in your face when I just got here. Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm Judy. Welcome to my channel. So today we are doing a vlog, but it's a special vlog because this is the first time I'm doing a collab. So this is going to be a behind the scenes of how we do a collab.
Hi, I am Evelyne from CulturEatz. See you guys in a little bit.
Our collab today is going to be of us tasting snacks. We're going to go for some Korean and Japanese, right?
Yeah, well, we can always decide just Korean or Japanese, whatever we find, but Korean would be fun.
Yeah. Either one. We'll get some snacks. That's where we're headed right now. We're going to the store and we're going to pick up some snacks and then we're going to go and set up, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
And eat.
YouTube life. Q120p.
Korean sweet cake. Yes, no?
Yeah, why not? Something sweet's good.
Yeah.
That looks like ishatang chestnuts. We want a good mix of
yeah, like 5 or 6 is plenty, although we might end up doing more and then I can do it a two-parter.
Yeah, we could do a mix of savory and sweet.
Yeah.
Well, all the sweet stuff is here. There's like grape gummies. We have grape gummies. And there's, what's this?
But that's plain stuff.
Yeah. I suppose candy is very, oh, you know what we should get?
What?
Fish sausages.
Okay. I've had fish balls and stuff, but...
Yeah, well, I've always seen them in the Asian markets, and I've never had them, so I'm curious.
If we find them, we will get them.
We absolutely have to get this.
What are those? The
Fish bongs.
Let's do it.
Cheese bongs.
Are they cooked already?
I don't know. I guess we'll find out. Do we want the smaller ones, or what do we want?
Yes, if we can get a smaller container of this, could you...
Yeah, I'm gonna go look.
Yeah, hold it in a way where I can actually... Yeah, I think if we can get a smaller container of these cheese bong, they're not fish. Oh yeah, fish sausage with a cheese flavor. Interesting.
All right, let's see if I can find a smaller package of that. They're all the same size.
Just take one.
Yeah. Do you want the plain one or do you want the one with the cheese?
Cheese.
Cheese?
Perfect together, right?
Let's check that expiry date. Expiry date's good. What are these? Rice porridge.
Like a congee.
Yeah, rice porridge with
porridge,
tuna.
Congee.
Rice porridge. I don't know. Do we want rice porridge or no?
It looks more Chinese.
Well, there's lots of... There's rice porridge in every Asian country, so... But I don't know. That's more of a meal.
Oh, we can put it in the bag of the thing and then choose one together.
Yeah, that's true. What flavors do they have? I saw the tuna one, but what else do they have?
Tuna?
Yeah, that was tuna.
Ooh. Well, it's the weirder one.
Yeah. Okay, get that one then. Spicy anchovies. Probably very good on congee. What's this? Ooh, spicy baby crab. Look, baby crabs.
Oh, that's cool. Oh, we should totally get that.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, let's get one of these. Baby crabs. This is the good stuff about getting it locally because we could actually eat stuff that's not just snack food. Since I know nothing about natto, I am going by its packaging, whatever's cute. So this is our haul, our loot for our video.
Please present your card.
So we're finally done. We were in there, what, 20 minutes?
At least.
Yeah, a good 20 minutes looking through all the snacks. Funny thing is that Evelyne was like, not everything's weird to you, but some of it is weird to me. Because I'm like grabbing stuff and I'm like, yeah, this isn't weird. Like,
and I know we said we're doing like Japanese Korean, but we didn't get kimchi because everybody knows. Even if you've never had it, you know what kimchi is. So we're not going to do that.
Yeah, exactly. So what's really cool is that the guy in the store actually let us film in there, because a lot of places are like, no, I don't want you filming. Like, what are we going to do? Steal your beautiful store and then go design our own little store? Like, that makes no sense, you know? But anyway, so
this is all part of the YouTube collab. You go shopping together.
yeah, exactly.
And that's fun.
Yeah. And now we actually forgot lemons for another video we're doing. So we're going to head across the street and get some lemons.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 1 sweet, 1 drink, the cheese sausage, another, the baby crabs, and well, there we got mixed tuna twice. But we have squid. Oh no, we have the tuna here and the tuna there. So I think that's a good split.
Okay.
We have 6 here, 5 here. And I've separated a sweet on each one. Oh, we might get some sweet from your thing too, so we can do 12, 12. So we have 2 sweets here, 1 sweet here. We have 2 separate beverages. We're gonna keep the congee with the natto in case we need it together.
Yeah.
I split the fishy stuff. We have the crab here, the squid here, sorry.
Lots of seafoods.
And here's
themed.
tuna sushi has like seaweed, so we'll have the seaweed separate here, and that's a good split.
All right.
I think that's a good split for the 2 videos.
Cool. Yes, I took off my wig. I'm gonna put it back on for right before we do the video. But yeah, I just ate a little bit of panjan, which is like a Korean seafood pancake. I only had a little piece of it to save room for the snack eating. So yeah, so come along, we're gonna go see what Evelyne's doing. I think she's setting up.
So if you plan on doing snack tasting video, it's always important to make sure that you have ahead of time like the right utensils to potentially eat the food. But a very good tip is always keep a pair of scissors handy. Sometimes you're going to be stuck trying to open something.
And then you just look silly.
Although
it would be good for a blooper reel.
Yeah, it depends. Sometimes bloopers are funny for the person who's filming, not for the actual other people.
We've run into our first issue. We don't know how to heat this up. It's all in Korean.
I don't think you heat it up.
You think we just eat it cold?
Well, I mean, it's a metal container. Even if we remove the tab, it's still gonna have a metal rim. Have you ever had cold congee?
No. No. But I mean, I don't know. Like, we don't eat cold congee in China, but maybe they do in Korea. I don't know.
Maybe we'll Google it before, just to see. We can always. I wanted to tape it on my video. We're gonna surprise and go, oh my god, things just bursted out. Because you fake things also sometimes on YouTube. But yeah, we can always stop the video, see if we do have to reheat it, and then we'll go back to pretending that we just heated it.
Don't tell people that we're faking. Come on. We're gonna get hate on the comments now.
I never fake anything, ever.
I Googled it.
Okay.
And apparently, we are supposed to transfer this into a bowl and heat it up in the microwave for 2 minutes.
I'll let you sit down and I'll turn my camera on. All right. Zoom a little bit in. Okay. Ready?
Yep, I'm ready.
All right. Hello there, Culture Eater. How are you doing today? I have a very exciting video for you, and it's actually going to turn into a 2-parter on my channel. But I am here with my friend Judy Harrisson.
Hi.
Her YouTube channel is, guess what her name is? Judy Harrisson.
So to see part 1 of our collab, click over here. If you want to watch my previous video, you could click over here. And of course, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider clicking over here to subscribe. And of course, if you want to be part of the notification squad, you know where to hit. The bell is down below there. And I will see you all next time. Bye.